Hello, everybody. It's me, Face. Welcome to Nick Jr. I'm trying out different ways of talking. For example, have you ever tried speaking with your mouth really small, like this? Hello there. Or how about with your mouth open really wide? Oh, and here's one of my favorites. Talking out of the side of your mouth, like this. Hello, it's me, Face, and I'm talking out of the side of my mouth. Gullah Gullah Island's next on Nick Jr.
Pagliligtas ng Diyos nasa krus ni Jesus, ang siyang sa mundo'y tumupos. Langit at lupa siya'y papurihan, araw at tala siya'y parangalan. Ating pagdiwang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa tanan. Hallelujah! Halina't sumayaw, lukso sabay sigahan sa libutan. Ang ngalan niyang angking singtingning ng bituin. Liwanag ng Diyos sumahati. Langit at lupa siya'y papurihan, araw at tala siya'y parangalan. Ating pagdiwang pag-ibig ng Diyos